decoration. What is this? I think so it is pirate entry gate. Yay! Pirate what? These are pirates! What is this? Why they are in water? It should not be na. Otherwise, I think so it is candle in water. Water candle floater, I think so. These are two pirates. One pirate is this. One pirate is this. This is a boat. Pirates are going somewhere. Let's see where they are going. These are three lanterns. This is full water. Wow, it's a nice decoration. Wow. But where is the cake? Where is the cake? It should be here now. It is not here. Let's go in this another entry gate. It is open now. Wow, this is my cake. Here is. What here is pirate box. Look, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.